Hey ladies, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is taking all the little pieces of lace that I see that are kind of like flipped or bent over because we don't need those pieces of lace. What? We don't need that on our frontal. So just cut all of that off. So now we're gonna want to start to section our frontal so we can begin our plucking process. You're gonna want to section your hair off in small sections. You want to pluck it in small sections at a time. That way you are able to see your progress while you're plucking your frontal. So yeah. These are the tweezers that I will be using to pluck my frontal. There are multiple other styles of tweezers that you can use, but these are the tweezers that I have on hand, so I'm going to be using them. So once you section that part of hair out, you're going to just want to start plucking. So you don't want to pluck in the same area for a long period of time, or else your frontal will end up being bald. You kind of just want to move around while you're plucking the hair. You just want to see the hair start to thin out. So just watch this little clip so you can get an idea of what I'm doing, and I'm going to speed this up for y'all. Don't forget to comb through the hair while you are plucking it. That way the hair that you did pluck out ends up actually falling out. All right, beautiful people. Hello. So now I can wear my hair so versatile if I wanted to. And this hair is wet as well. That's why it looks like this. Let me just give you a little background. I did have this hair for a little longer than a year maybe. And I had this frontal for a couple of months now, and the frontal has been doing me great. No shedding, no balding, and that's really rare because I did purchase a frontal from AliExpress, and girl, that frontal was done. That frontal was done. It was done. It was done, and the hair quality was done as well. So I just invested in a nice frontal. Now this is not an HD frontal. My next investment will be an HD frontal because I really want to try that, see how it works. But here is a final up close of the frontal. What I'm actually going to do right now is do my edges, come back and show you guys how they look, show you guys the difference, and then show you guys the final, you know, twirl around. Woo says, look at that right there. Where is the frontal? Where's the frontal? Somebody please tell me where the frontal is. Can you tell me? Can you find it? Can you find it? Can you find it? Where the frontal? Where's the frontal? Where's the frontal? In the comment section below, please tell me if you can find the frontal. Tell me where you see the frontal at. I'm back. Psych, no. But y'all, I just wanted to come on here and just show y'all the official final look. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. This is also the hair in my Fashion Nova haul. However, this hair is just wet. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And now we're really out.